Alright, so I already did the passenger side. It's really easy. Like it's really right here. All you gotta do is take this cover off. Anyways, I'll show you this one. On the driver's side, you just gotta take out the air box. So it's a 10mm. Take that out. Then also got this block heater thing. I'll put that to the side, and then you just pull up under the filter. Oh, actually, you gotta disconnect this hose first. Wait. Then the driver's side is right here. See this rubber cover? Just pull that out. And then that's the bulb. This is it. Right there. This little metal tab. You want to push that up. Yeah, that's a little metal tab that holds it. Push that up, and then it just swings around. And then actually, let me see. And then the bulb can just come out like that. And then you just disconnect it. Just pull it out like that. So, and then put a new one is in reverse. Just connect it. I'm kind of struggling because I'm doing it with one hand because I'm recording my other hand, so so I can get this in like that, and then you just pull the bulb back in the hole. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna move this power steering so I get a little bit more room. And I'm going to disconnect this airbox so I can show you guys a little bit easier. Okay, I'm just going to disconnect this hose and just going to stick this airbox out the way. So you can do it with it on, but I'm just doing it so I can show you guys so you guys can see, have a better look at what it looks like. So I'm just going, and this is an 8mm, by the way, if you don't have a flat head. So I got the airbox out the way, and this power steering reservoir just slides up. Just this tab just to the side. Just slide up like that. You can just put that there. Now you have more room. But anyways, this is the tab I was talking about. Anyways, you got the bulb. That's the hole right there it sits in. Insert it like this with a connector facing downward. It should just kind of like pop in, and then there's the tab. You just slide it over and into the little hole like that. And to take it off, you push it in, pull it up. Okay. That's pretty much how you do it. Make sure connector is snug in there, and then take the little cover. Just put that back. Alright, so I already put it back together. Yeah, just make sure you put everything, make sure you connect this hoses back and tighten those two clips. Passenger side is a lot easier. You don't have to take out anything. It's literally just right there. I'm not going to show it, but you just take that off and pretty much the same way you put the bulb in. So that's pretty much it. Probably tested it before I put everything back, but let's see. It's not green. I don't know why it's looking green in the camera, but it's actually not green. It's white. So the camera's making it look green. But anyways, that's how you do it. Before I put this thing back. Body. And this is the tail light part. I'm gonna do it real quick. This is the tail light I got from eBay. It actually looks way better in person. Don't wanna lie. And there's lights on the side. Pay $125 for this, man. So yeah, man, can't wait to put this in. So I'm gonna take out. Oh, I also got some white LEDs. This is for the reverse lights. Well, man, I don't know, man. This thing looks cool. It looks a lot better in person. The pictures look a lot different. You can see. Anyways, let me put this in. Alright, it's pretty easy. All you gotta do, come closer. See this thing here? Just twist it. You don't need any tools for this job other than your hands. Anyway, you twist this thing out. Then you just pull this back. And then there's two more. There's one on the inside here. You might not see it, but there's one in there. Twist out that. And then the last one, top. Twist it out. I'm not gonna show the other side because it's pretty much the same. Yeah. That's pretty much all that holds the tail light in place. And then the connector, you see right here, see this red tab? You want to push that this way, and then you squeeze the top of the connector and pull it out. And boom. Tail light comes out. Whoa, it's good. Dirty shit on it. Alright, so typically with these tail lights, let them see they don't want to see my face, they want to see the work. Anyways, typically with these tail lights, they typically don't come with turn signal lights. So you might have to swap some of your bulbs over to this ones. Now for this one, God, I got dirt on this thing. So for this one, it already has, obviously the brake lights are LEDs. It looks like it already has a reverse bulb. Maybe it doesn't, I'm not sure. Actually, I might not need to swap anything. I don't know. I think this is a reverse bulb. Yeah, I'm not sure. Trying to see. Yeah, that might be the reverse bulb. Alright, anyways, I'm just gonna put it in and see what comes in there. To install it, same process, just slide it in. Yeah. Damn, I think it was good though. Show them the difference. It's more of a clear housing. That side is black. Alright. I'm gonna connect it. Actually, I'm gonna have to connect it first. First. So one thing I just noticed, this aftermarket one, the connector is not long enough, so you have to. I have to actually pull the connector outside and plug it in first. So it's kind of a bummer, but anyways, I'm gonna have you test it. Man, it's kind of cool. The turn signals is actually LEDs, so the bottom part is the LEDs and the top part is the brake lights. That's a stop one, obviously. Let me try the reverse lights. Try. Okay, the reverse light works. See, it is this. I was gonna try to switch it out to LEDs. That's why I bought these LEDs, but it's a different kind of bulb, so it's alright. Cool. Yeah, I like how that looks. This is just it with the tail light on, so it's kind of light. It's pretty cool. I like it. Dope. I'm gonna swap this one out. Anyways, I'm not gonna show a video of this one because it's pretty much the same thing. Like I said, this one's a little shorter, so you have to pull the connector out and plug it in before you swap that in there. So, and yeah, easy. I love this. If you want to get this, I got it on eBay. I'll put the link below. It was $125, you know, pretty cheap. It looks cool, man. I love it. Alright, I'm out. Alright, this is the final product. So that thing look good. I ended up putting some LEDs down here. I had some extra ones, so I just put it down there. So, yeah. I love the tail lights, man. I love the LED. I didn't know it was gonna have LED turn signals, so that's kind of cool. And this side lights up when you turn on the tail lights, but it's not on right now. So, but yeah, that's it, man. That's it.